today I'm lucky enough to be at Rose Cottage. It's in Polyphant, which is a couple of miles down the A30 from Launceston, and there's a lovely green here, a little shop, and it's all just very close to this property, which is nicely tucked away. You have a parking space, and the cottage itself is stone and cob and goes back for years. And it's got this most beautiful garden that I'm sat in here today. It's full of fruit bushes and trees and lots of plants that keep coming back every year, giving it a little bit of glory. And there's a greenhouse and a good wraparound shed behind me as well. The house itself has 2 double bedrooms. There's a lovely living room with a vaulted ceiling and 2 doors that go up to different areas of the garden either end. You've got a lovely kitchen, which is quite small, but it works, and you've got a utility room that then goes into a very modern shower room. So quirky cottage. If you're interested, then watch this video and book a viewing. Take care.